What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sneakerbot Club, where we post live cops, tutorials, and reviews. In today's video, we're going to be going over the Yeezy Foam Runner drop in the mineral blue and sand colorways that dropped on Yeezy Supply and Shopify. Now, I'm pretty excited to share this video with you guys since it's probably the best drop I've had in a very long time. Now, before we get into the video, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. June has a ton of great releases coming up, so you know I'll be posting a lot of live cop videos, so don't miss out. Alright, now let's get into it. Up first, we have the Yeezy Supply drop, which actually dropped at 5 AM PST for the first time. Usually they drop at 6 AM, but I have no idea why they switched it up for this release. I feel like this actually helped my chances because I'm sure a lot of people slept in thinking they were still going to drop at 6. So shout out to KJNotify for giving us a heads up the day before. So for this drop, I ran my usual setup. I had Dashe going on a server, I had about 600 tasks, I had 10 capture harvesters, and for proxies I was running a mixture of ISP and residential proxies from Slash, Nocturnal, and Black Hat. Now I found that these three companies provide the best and highest quality proxies that work well on every single release. So if you're looking for working proxies for the next release, be sure to check these guys out. I'll have them all linked down below in the description box. So for this drop, I was lucky enough to grab 13 pairs on Yeezy Supply. Shout out once again to Slash, Nocturnal, and Black Hat proxies for providing the best and highest quality proxies that work great on Yeezy Supply. So make sure you guys check them out. I'll have them all linked down below. Alright, now let's move on to the next drop. So up next we have Kith dropping at 7 AM PST. For this drop, I decided to put all of my resources into Sole AIO just because in their Discord server they mentioned they would have the CAPTCHA AI enabled for HCAPTCHA, and they recommended to run a lot more tasks than usual. So I think they were kind of hinting at some sort of bypass or only needing one solve to work across multiple tasks, so I loaded up on as many tasks as I could. I also ran for nice kicks since they were supposed to drop at the same time, but they ended up dropping pretty late, so just ignore those tasks. Alright, now let's see how it went.
Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 5 size. Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 8 size. Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 10 size. Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 14 size. Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 11 size. Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 7 size. Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 13 size. Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 13 size. Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 7 size. Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 11 size. Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 7 size. Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 13 size. Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 6 size. Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 12 size. Successful checkout Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, Mineral Blue, 13 size.
Alright, so for this drop, I was lucky enough to grab 15 pairs on Kith. I really wish you guys could have heard my live reaction during this drop, but unfortunately my mic wasn't set up properly, and that's the reason why I'm doing this voiceover. A shout out once again to Black Hat Proxies for providing the best ISP proxies that work great on Shopify. Alright guys, that pretty much does it for this video. If you have any questions at all, be sure to let me know down below. I get back to every single one of you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. June's going to be a big month, so I'm going to be posting a lot of live cop videos, so don't miss out. Alright guys, catch you in the next one. Peace.